Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your gender on Reddit account. To change your gender in Reddit, open the Reddit app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture to open up the menu. Now, click on Settings at the bottom. Inside Settings, go ahead and tap on your username at the top. Now, click on the gender option under Account Setting. From the gender menu, go ahead and choose your gender. Once you are done, click on Done. And that's how you easily change your gender in Reddit application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.